We need to double food production over the next 20 years in order to support a global population of 10 billion people. And to do that, we need to increase crop yields, particularly on the same area of land that we have available now, and we need to do it in the face of climate change and with removing our reliance on fossil fuels to support agricultural production. The Bachelor of Agriculture at the University of Melbourne equips students to tackle those complex problems and lets them have meaningful careers in the agriculture, food and natural resource sectors. The value of an interdisciplinary degree, like we offer here in the Bachelor of Agriculture, is that it gives you a really broad overview of how ag systems work in order to be able to move them forward. Innovation and sustainability are really key to agriculture and the challenges that are going to face agriculture over the coming decades. So they're issues that we really focus on. When we say agriculture is an applied science degree, it means that we're using scientific skills and knowledge and understanding to solve real-world problems. It's really an opportunity for students that are very interested in science and the way plants and soil and animal systems work to apply that interest into an area that is going to make a difference, that has real, genuine, real-world outcomes. The degree was co-designed with industry, and what that means is that we consulted with a broad range of agricultural industries to ensure that our graduates would have a high level of employability across the different ag sectors. The advantage of doing the Bachelor of Agriculture as opposed to a major in another degree is that you have a much broader range of fundamental subjects that are focused specifically on agriculture. It's this level of immersion which sets the Bachelor of Agriculture apart. The student experience in the Bachelor of Agriculture is outstanding. The teaching staff are world-leading experts in their fields. Not only do you have a campus in the heart of Melbourne with all the life and culture that entails, but you also have the option of completing part of second year at the University of Melbourne's Dookie campus. Dookie is a 2,400 hectare farm in northeast Victoria. It's got 800 hectares of crops of wheat, canola and faba beans. It's got over 7,000 head of sheep and a working dairy, and all of this offers a rich learning environment. The degree has the option to do an internship with industry in the third year, and this allows them to form a bond with a workplace, with an organisation, which often leads to ongoing employment once they graduate. Graduates from the Bachelor of Agriculture end up in a really diverse range of jobs. This can be in banking and in finance, it can be in agribusiness. We always have a large proportion of students that end up being agronomists, right through to further research, working for aid organisations. It's a really, really broad range of employment outcomes. Graduates from agricultural degrees are in high demand. There's way more positions available than there are graduates, and most graduates have a job before they even graduate. The growth potential for the agricultural sector is huge. The ongoing demand for food, feed and fibre across the world is enormous, and we need graduates to support those industries and meet that demand.